For attorneys, sextortion-style threats can feel career-ending because they strike directly at professional trust, credibility, and public reputation. These scams don't just happen to laypeople. Licensed professionals have been targeted too. In one reported case, a cybersecurity lawyer was victimized in a sextortion attempt after receiving a WhatsApp video call from an unknown number showing explicit content with his face digitally embedded. The extortionist threatened to post the doctored video on social media and other platforms unless the lawyer paid a ransom, putting his reputation and professional standing at risk before any evidence of wrongdoing was established. Incidents like this amplify fear for lawyers targeted by blackmail. Even false allegations can threaten bar status, client confidence, and long-built reputations. Sextortion attackers exploit that fear. Knowing attorneys understand how fragile professional credibility can be once accusations enter the public record. In this video, we'll break down how lawyer sextortion works, the professional consequences of blackmail, and concrete steps attorneys can take to protect their license, reputation, and personal safety. Weaponizing professional oversight. Lawyer blackmail exploits the strict regulatory structure attorneys operate within and the constant oversight tied to their license. Criminals may threaten to contact the bar association, clients, judges, or opposing counsel with fabricated allegations or explicit material designed to look official. Even when the scammer has no authority, the wording mimics formal disciplinary language closely enough to feel real. Legal professionals are trained to treat accusations seriously, which amplifies the fear. Victims immediately imagine hearings, ethics investigations, license review, and reputational collapse. This pressure is intentional. Sextortion attackers rely on the attorney's respect for procedure and deep fear of permanent misconduct records to force compliance before rational analysis can happen. How attorneys are specifically targeted. Cybercriminals may seek out legal professionals through channels such as dating apps where scammers search profiles tied to law firms or legal titles. Professional directories exposing work emails and office contact information. Social media posts referencing court appearances or case victories. Emails impersonating bar association compliance departments. Messages claiming to represent concerned clients or whistleblowers. These tactics can allow scammers to target individuals whose career may place them at heightened vulnerability. Fear of ethics scrutiny overrides judgment. Lawyers operate under strict ethical oversight, which sextortion criminals deliberately exploit. Victims fear that allegation could stain their professional record or trigger a disciplinary review that follows them for years. The anxiety is amplified because attorneys understand exactly how complaint systems function and how investigations unfold. That knowledge, meant to protect the profession, becomes a vulnerability in moments of panic. Lawyer blackmail thrives when victims assume reporting the crime will increase exposure instead of stopping it. Silence gives criminals time to escalate demands and tighten control. Emotional strain intensifies because identity and career are deeply intertwined. The victim is not only protecting privacy, but defending years of education, reputation, and professional survival against a stranger's threat. Protecting your license and reputation. Despite what the sextortionist would like you to believe, there are steps you can take to protect your personal and professional reputation. Consider the following suggested actions. Preserve all threats referencing your law license or firm affiliation. Stop payments immediately even if the scammer promises discretion. Avoid emotional responses while maintaining evidence integrity. Document a timeline showing escalation of lawyer blackmail demands. Inform legal counsel experienced in professional responsibility matters. Report the incident to the platform you received threats on, as well as law enforcement. Reach out to private cybersecurity firms that specialize in helping victims of lawyer sextortion. Conclusion: being targeted by sextortion does not mean professional misconduct. Bar associations discipline legitimate violations, not extortion victims. Acting quickly can protect both your personal safety and legal standing. At Blackmail.HelpLine, licensed professionals can access specialized support to contain and stop lawyer sextortion through services such as evidence preservation, and documentation to keep a detailed record of threats without compromising your safety. Cybersecurity assistance to help you secure your devices, emails, and accounts from further exploitation. Professional guidance that provides advice tailored to attorneys facing blackmail. Law enforcement coordination that helps you navigate reporting to authorities while maintaining confidentiality. Call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com to get immediate support from experts trained to protect your reputation and career. Don't wait. Early action is key to stopping extortion and defending your professional future. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.